This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by David Barr. Welcome to Toscana Isles and a rarely available builder model Clifton floor plan home for sale. The home was built in 2018 and lightly lived in by the current owners. The floor plan has just over 1,800 square feet of living space, with 2 bedrooms plus den and 2 baths. The next owner can have immediate occupancy without waiting for a quick move-in home to be ready in 3 or 4 months. Toscana Isles has a gorgeous resort-level infinity edge pool set on a striking peninsula, with a fire pit gathering area, fitness center, and huge room for events or private parties. Residents here enjoy an active social community with full-time activity director. Toscana Isles is just minutes to the new Sarasota Memorial Hospital campus on Laurel Road, and has easy access to Nokomis Beach. For more information, review the details below.